Hi everyone. In previous lessons, you learned that a variable has a name and how to assign a value to a variables. In this lesson, I will talk about basic built-in types of Python variables. Let's start with imagine that someone asks you these four questions. The very first question is, what's your name? The second question is, how much do you weigh in kilograms? Third question is, how many brothers or sisters do you have? And fourth, the last one, do you like sports? Do you think answers of all these questions will be same or same type? Your answer will be no, definitely no. Let's see the answer to the first question is, my name is Jitendra. I weigh 60.6 kilograms. I have two brothers. And yes, I like sports. You notice that the answers of these questions are of different types. If someone asks you, what's your name? You will say group of characters or text or alphabets, not any numbers like 1, 2, 3. About weight, you say something like decimal numbers like 16.60.0, 60.65, 60.7 or any value with fractional value. For brothers and sisters, you may say any number like 2 brothers, 3 sisters, 1 brother, 1 sister, like any whole numbers, not something like 1 by 4 and 5 by 2 brothers or 1 by 5 sisters. And yes or no for the last question. But in Python language, in place of yes or no, Python uses true or false. So these are different types of variables available in Python. The first one of your answer is of type string and which is identified in Python by str. The second one is called a floating point numbers because it included the decimal points. Third one is integers type because this is a whole number. Any number without any fractional value, just like integers. And the last one is type of Boolean, which means there are only two possible values, maybe either true or false. Let's go through each type one by one. And the first one is a string. A string is a group of characters or text which is made of alphabet and it's defined either with a single quote or double quote. Go to the editor and see examples of strings like str1 equal to hello and print hello world. Str1 equal to hello. Hello is stored on string 1, that is variables, and just print the variable's name inside the print functions. And the second one is the hello with double quotes and storing it on the string 2. And if you print string 2 variables, there is no difference in result at all. But think about how will you print apostrophes in your string? Is it possible with single quote? Your answer is of course not, because apostrophes will terminate the string if using single quotes. In that case, double quotes is required, like in this example. So these are some basic idea about a string. Let's move to the next data types, that is called float. Float is integers with decimal point. If you do division of numbers like 7 divided by 2, the answer would be 3.5. This means this is the classical division in Python. But if you want to exclude the decimal point from any division, then you can use 2 times / in place of one single division. And the third one is integers. Integers like whole numbers, like a equal to 5, b equal to 2 into 3. And if you print these two variables, the answer will be 5 and 6 with space separated. And the fourth one is Boolean. In Python, the type of Boolean, class type of Boolean is bool. Flag equal to false. Be careful about false or true. These are two keywords present in Python language, not starting with lower characters like true or false. These are 4 basic types in Python. There are more types also, such as list, dictionaries, tuples, and some other types that will be discussed in future videos. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with our channel. And please like and share my lessons to your friends if it's helpful, and don't forget to subscribe.